Winmagic Toys is in the business of bringing joy to the kids across the world. You guessed it right, we are a toys and games company. With strategic concepts, our sales journey, a year's engagement, was a transformative one. Firstly, Sanjay Singh and his team instilled in our sales team a sense of pride of being in the honorable profession of sales. Secondly, they got that sales is indeed a science and that the power and the key to success is in their own hands, which means that we not only got a team that was responsible, but also a team that was powerful. Finally, in terms of results, from being a startup, we went on to become the top three company in the country, and now we are going after a vision of being global leaders in play and entertainment. So thank you, a sincere thanks to Sanjay Singh and his team at Strategic Concepts.